Average function. The average function calculates the average of the number. In the example, I use the average function to calculate the average mark of the student. Equal. Click on the average function. Select on the mark of 4 subjects, close parentheses, and press enter. Click and scroll down. Actually, the shortcut key of the average function is Alt plus H plus U plus A. Select all table. Press Alt plus H plus U plus A. You can use the quick analysis tool. Select all the mark. Click on quick analysis. Click on total, net, and click on average.